Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice problem that is x minus 1 over 2 whole cube minus x minus 1 over 2 whole squared plus x is equal to 105 over 2. So here we have to find the value of x. Let's start our solution, that is x minus 1 over 2 whole cubed minus x minus 1 over 2 whole squared plus x is equal to, first of all we just write this 105 like 104 plus 1 over 2. So 104 plus 1 is equal to 2 here. That 104 plus 1 is equal to 105. So 105 over 2. Here we have x minus 1 over 2 whole cubed minus x minus 1 over 2 whole squared plus x, and it can be written as 104 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Now our next step is just shifting this 1 over 2, x minus 1 over 2 whole cubed minus x minus 1 over 2 whole squared plus x, and this will be minus 1 over 2. It is equal to 105, that is 2, so we get 52 here. Now here we see that it is x minus 1 over 2, it is also x minus 1 over 2, and it is x minus 1 over 2. So we have to suppose that let this x minus 1 over 2, it is equal to m. Now substituting this value in our problem, then we get here it is m cubed minus m squared plus m, and shifting 52 we have minus 52, that is equal to 0. So now we have to just factorize this 52, like this minus 52 can also be written as that minus 64 plus 16 minus 4. Here minus 16 minus 4 is plus 12, so when we subtract 60 minus 64 and 12 we get 52. So now minus 52, here we have m cubed minus m squared plus m, and minus 52 can be written as minus 64 plus 16 minus 4, that is equal to 0. Now we are going to write m cubed, this minus 64 here with m cubed, and similarly minus m squared with this plus 16, and plus m with minus 4, that is equal to 0. So now m cubed minus 64 can be written as 4 cubed, and here if we just write this m squared, and this will be minus because it is minus time plus is minus, so 16 is 4 squared plus m minus 4, that is equal to 0. Now using algebraic formulas, as we know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. Similarly, we have another interesting formulas that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now applying these two formulas in our this step, so it will be m cubed minus 4 cubed will be m minus 4 times m squared plus 4 times m plus 4 squared is equal to 16, and here it is m plus 4 m minus 4, and it will be plus m minus 4, that is equal to 0. Now we see that here we have m minus 4, and this m minus 4, it is common term, so taking m minus 4 is common, then we have m squared plus 4 times m plus 16, and here we have minus m, minus time plus is minus 4, here we get plus 1, that is equal to 0. So now our next step is m minus 4 times here m squared plus 4m minus m we will get plus 3m plus 16 and plus 1 is plus 17 minus 4 is plus 13, that is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases, that m minus 4 is equal to 0 or m squared plus 3 times m plus 13 is equal to 0. Now our next step will be, here we have m is equal to shifting minus 4, we will get m is equal to 4, and this is quadratic equation, so we are going to use quadratic formula, that is m is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a, but here the value of a, which is the coefficient of m squared, that is equal to 1, and similarly coefficient of m is the value of b, which is equal to 3, and c is equal to 13, this one is equal to 13. Now putting these values in our this quadratic formula, so we have m is equal to, that is minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 squared is equal to 9, and minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 1 and times 13 all over 2 times a is 1. Now m is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of this 9 minus 13 times 4 is 52, so all over 2 times 1 is 2, here we have 2. Now m is equal to minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 52 is equal to minus 43, so we just write minus 43 square root all over 2. Here we can write this step is minus 3 plus minus 43 can be written as square root of 43 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. Now m is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 43 times minus 1 square root is equal to I all over 2. So it is our value of m. Now we have to just recall our problem, and here we see that we have first value of m which is equal to 4. So now recalling here our position, that just recall that x minus 1 over 2 is equal to m, as we have suppose that x minus 1 over 2 is equal to m. Now recalling this one, so we have value of m is x minus 1 over 2, m is equal to 4. So here x is equal to 4 plus 1 over 2, shifting this minus 1 over 2, we will get x is equal to 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9 over 2. So we have first solution of x, that is equal to x1 is equal to 9 over 2. Now our next solution here, next will be, here recall our position, that is x minus 1 over 2 is equal to m. So now x minus 1 over 2, this m is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 43 I all over 2. So shifting this minus 1 over 2, we will get x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 43 I all over 2, and this minus 1 over 2 will be plus 1 over 2. Now by taking this common multiple, so we will get 2, and here minus 3 plus minus square root of 43 I, and here we just write plus 1. So our next step is minus 3 plus minus square root of 43, and this minus 3 plus 1 we will get minus 2. So here we write minus 2 plus minus 43 square root I all over 2. So it is the value of x, that is minus 2 plus minus square root of 43i all over 2. So our final answer will be, here our final answer will be, the value of x is, first value of x is that we have just find out 9 over 2, and second and third value of x is minus 2 plus square root of 43 I over 2, and minus 2 minus square root of 43 I over 2. So these are the solution of x for this problem that we have just find out. Now checking our problem step by step here. It was our first solution, that is x1. So I hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.